Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Some of y'all might recognize this from this morning, and he's figured out this part, but he needs this part done with the end and no color in there. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take this rectangle and move it out of the way. And I'm going to put these words in that rectangle. So I'm going to group those together and I'm going to nudge them over. I can't get them exactly where they're at, but I can select them both and hit C and it put it. So I normally go CE, but if you go CE, it would put it, well, it'd probably be equal anyway. So now let's take away the color from this and we just have these outline boxes. And then let's grab this. This is a little bit of tedious, and there's a couple of ways to think about it. So this needs to be black. So just fill them in with black. So every one that's black, now we'll take away those lines in a second. So we're going to do every other one and just, for the one I'm helping, make sure you get all the parts done, like you'd want to fill in that S. Anyway, so I'm going to turn my phone off real quick. Now, if that line isn't thick enough, well, first of all, we can get rid of the lines on the other line, but we're going to take the wordage and make it like that. So that should work. Now, probably just going to have to take this and move it. Well, don't have to really move that. You know what? Let's take the text and move it over. And then select all of them. I didn't do all of them, and take away the lineage and then move all this back. So I just hit no outline. So the other outlines aren't there that were going across the letters. That's pretty cool. Instead of contouring them, just make your outline thicker. I missed it. I'm going to hit F4 on the keyboard and bring it in. I missed that little bitty part right there. So that was the part I was talking about. Whoop. You want to make sure you get all that to make it look good. Anyway, and then just do the rest all the way down. I'm pretty sure that's what he was asking, and hope that helped. Thank you for watching.